Hi, this is Martin on a quick mortgage minute, and today on this beautiful sunny day I'm actually sitting out in front of the Bernardo Yorba Cemetery. This is one of the oldest cemeteries in Orange County by the great Bernardo Yorba. It was dedicated to him. Him and his family are actually buried here, so it's a great place, a very tranquil place. Talking about cemeteries and real estate, real estate right now is not dead. They are taking its lumps and bumps right now with the coronavirus going on. But I want to talk to you a little bit about maybe what of the speculations of what will come out after we maybe go through the quarantine period of the coronavirus. Some of the things that we're seeing right now as far as mortgage loans go is some of the government loans like FHA loans with low credit scores, 640 and below, have gone away. There are some clients that we had that were at the point of getting their house. They have maybe a 580 credit score, and the banks decided that they do not want to risk right now doing those loans. So that is something new that just came about. It was a day-to-day change, and we're still seeing changes day to day, right? Another thing that the banks are very skittish about right now is obviously the forbearance period, and so they're very skittish about high balance loans or jumbo loans, right? When you're owing on your home more than $636,000, right? If you're owing more up above that threshold, they're very skittish. They really don't have a big appetite to buy those loans on the secondary market. So we're actually seeing quite of a downsize as far as people demanding, or the banks demanding, that people can refinance those loans. It's quite hard right now for those two buckets, and that is the lower credit scores and the higher big loans, right? So those are the things that we're seeing right now. So in foresight, come in the near future, what we may see is that some constrictions on lending, right? More reserves, right? Better credit scores, higher income with lower debt ratios. So those are the things that we're projecting we probably may see in the near future. As far as we know, real estate's not dead. God bless Mr. Bernardo Yorba and his family. But these are just a quick couple things that are happening right now in the market. Stay tuned for more information. Don't forget to like and share the channel. Thank you and have a great day.